Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to find all of the ancient fragment locations in Sailor Piece, and this is for the C2 update. So let's get straight into the video. If you guys want to find out how to unlock the fragments, make sure you watch the video up until the end. But anyways, let's get straight into it. So pretty much in order to find these ancient fragment locations, the location is going to be pretty much random, so there's not going to be a set spot for the fragment location, but the maps that are going to have these locations will be the starter island, the desert island, the snow island, Shibuya station. It's going to also be Hollow Island and Shinjuku Island as well, and then also going to be Slime Island, Academy Island, Judgment Island, Ninja Island, and Lawless Island. It's going to be only these maps with the fragment locations, but in the map itself it's going to be completely random, so it's not going to be like one set spot. Oh, you have to go under this tree, for example, to find it. So basically just go over to those maps and try looking for it. Shouldn't take too long, maybe like 2 minutes max, so you guys can just go ahead and try doing that, and then that will be the fastest way to unlock the fragments, and that should be all the fragment locations as well. So yeah, I hope that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.